Alright. Gigi and Grandpa on their first scavenger hunt of being grandparents. Gigi's doing pretty good. She just had knee surgery a week ago. Look at her. Look at her go.
I'm rocking and a rolling here. Yes.
Grandpa has no idea what he's getting himself into.
Nope. Okay, sweetie.
Wait.
Oh, Richard, Izzy. Izzy, sit.
Stop.
Get him. Izzy, sit. Izzy.
Is he being Izzy?
Yes. Ooh, she's gonna go chase those deer, honey.
Izzy is in trouble.
You stay in there. No.
Bad Izzy.
Close that door all the way. Shut tight.
Bad Izzy. Alright.
Go ahead. I'll catch up to her. Oh, look, my rose has a rose bloom on it.
Where am I going?
Where did the clue tell you to go?
Goes outside.
No, that's not what it said.
Grandpa is dyslexic.
It said,
What is that?
go to my car.
My car?
My car.
Your car? This car?
This is a car. Hold on. Let's wait for Gigi.
Okay, I'm
She's coming. She's coming.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
What are you doing, Dad?
Do I gotta open this car?
Go on, Mom. Go up there.
Okay.
Okay, do I open it?
Hold on, let me do something like that.
Ready? Here goes.
Alright.
Oh, look.
What you got there, Grandpa?
Oh, how cute.
What you got there, Grandma?
Oh, what a cute little birdhouse.
It's a feeder.
Isn't that darling? It's got an orange house.
That's what.
How cute is that? Did y'all make that?
No, we didn't make
Oh
it,
my
but
goodness. I love it. And it matches the gas chase.
Guys.
Look at y'all.
that's from all three of us.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
All 5 of us.
Yes, Merry. Now you can cut trees again.
That way me and you can do some work around here and
Okay.
This is
Yeah.
your other part.
My other saw went out.
Yes.
well,
We know.
I'm gonna take your other saw and I'm gonna get Kyle to look at it and see what's going on with it. And
Well, I mean-
Who's that from, y'all?
Yeah, that's from us.
yeah,
to
the
you.
birdhouse is from us to you.
That's your big present.
Thank you.
So once me and Rich cut down all the trees, then the
that
birds
is
can come
so
stay in the house.
cute. I love it. I've been needing one. Well, my birds
That's
have been
nice.
waiting
Yep, it's a good saw. This will last you the rest of your life.
for it.